the land court cases, I just want to urge the environment court judges to be critically aware that possibly 50% of the cases and documentation that people are bringing there is actually, they are forgeries. They are forgeries. So that judges must insist on the record. And the people who have participated or helped to come up with those documents, some of them are in the ministry, others are outside.
The mediator's primary role is to facilitate the disputants to talk of some of the advantages that mediation brings you. It empowers parties to determine their own fate, because it is they who talk, not about their rights, but about their interests.